welcome back to my channel. This is me Shreya Kumari and I hope you all are amazing. If you visit this channel first time, so do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In today's video, we will be talking about a job which is from Capgemini and it is for every graduate student. Now let's get started. If we talk about the company, so the company name is Capgemini. Capgemini is a French multinational information technology services and consulting company. It is a global leader in consulting technology services and digital transformation. Now let's talk about the job description. Firstly, we will discuss the job name. So the job name is invoice processing. It is for 0 to 1 years experiences. It is based in Kolkata. Now let's talk about the job description. So in this job, you have to checking bill rate, charge out rate, reconcile with the ISOW. Drafting performer invoice, updating records, finalize the invoice after the checkpoints are maintained. Timesheet report check for time and material invoice, and you have to audit all the invoice and before sending to customers. Now let's talk about the primary skills and secondary skills. In primary skills, you have to generate invoice to the customer for service renders and you have to check invoice for any discrepancy of hours bill rates. And if we talk about the secondary skills, so you have to maintain invoice report and you have to audit report as a daily activity. Also, you have to ensure to work with the team to complete the job assigned. So this job is posted on June 2021, and if we talk about the experience level, so you have to be graduate from any of this stream. Contract type is permanent. Location is Kolkata. Business units, business services, and if we talk about the department, so it is services. So for applying this job, you have to click on apply now, and after that you have to fill all the information like your resume, cover letter and all, and you are good to go. With the help of email address and password, you can sign in or you can create an account. So after creating an account, you can apply for this job. So thank you people. This job link is in description box. Go and check it out and apply for this job. I hope you will learn something from this video. If you like this video, so give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.